Everybody, I just wanted to show you the smart home security system that I sell through Pulsar Halo. This right here in the middle is the hub. This thing is going to be ordered through my website, securedbyhalo.com, or you contact me directly. This is going to show up at your house, and you're going to give me a call when it shows up, and I'm going to help you put this thing in. But it was really meant to be something that's super easy and DIY with a professional grade security system. This thing's going to come in the box along with 3 sensors and then some extra things of your choosing, along with a little pin pad. When you get this in the mail, there's 2 wires in the back here. So basically you plug it into power, and you plug it into an Ethernet cable that will go to your Wi-Fi router to communicate with the system or with the monitoring station. So once you do that, the sensors go on your doors. It's going to come with 3 of those, so you can do your front door, your back door, and your garage door. That's usually what people get started with first. You can buy extras of those if you need to put any on like a medicine cabinet or some kind of treasure chest or a refrigerator, so that way you're notified if somebody gets in each one of those. And then once you do that and you've got your security system up and running, you can also do a motion sensor. Everything there is wireless, so if I want to move that to the other corner of the room, I can. And then you can add little things like add your echo into this. Here's a little water valve shut off right there, a water main controller. And then things like a smart lock like this. So this is just a quick set one right here. You just replace the one that's on your current door. You can still do all the locking and unlocking from here. It's also got a key. But you can also use your echo. So I can say, Alexa, tell SmartLink to lock test lock.
Locking test lock.
And so it's real easy to just do things like that. You can see over here, I've got my Alexa right there. And of course it just heard me. And my camera is right there as well. And so you see I've got some can lights that are in here, and I can control those just by saying, Alexa, tell SmartLink to turn the kitchen light on.
Setting the kitchen light to on.
And you see that they all come on at once. And the way that I did that was I just changed out my switch right here, the one that's right here. And you see it's just in a neutral position. And so I can just click it down for off. I can go up for on, or I can hold it down to dim it. And so you can see I'm going to go ahead and just dim it down a little bit. And so those are dimming down, or I can just completely turn it off just by clicking the switch. So something that you can do, this is in a duplex right now that I have it in. You can do this in apartment complexes, or you can do it in a house that you own. So if you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to me. My website is securedbyhalo.com, and my name is Jake, or you can give me a call at 512-695-8277. Thanks.